Quick and easy homemade skincare tips. There is probably no end to the products you can buy and procedures you can get from your dermatologist in order to take care of your skin. Many of these products and procedures are very costly, and some seem to have little effect or wear off after only a short amount of time. However, there is much you can do by way of homemade skincare, from facial masks to acne treatments. These things you make and use at home are often just as good as any retail or commercial brand. As a matter of fact, many brands advertise that they contain all natural ingredients, so why should you pay someone else to make these things for you? If the things you make for homemade skincare are just like what you get over the counter, then why not make your own? It's cheaper, easier, and usually more effective to make these things at home. First, keep in mind that many homemade skincare products are going to be designed for one type of skin or the other, or are going to do a particular job just like the retail items you buy. This means that if you have dry skin, then don't make up any homemade skincare products for oily skin and vice versa. You also need to remember that some will work as a cleansing agent or an exfoliating agent, while some just add moisture or absorb oil. When it's time to clean your face, then be sure you're using something that will actually clean and not just moisturize. Most homemade skincare products are made with ingredients you already have in your kitchen pantry or medicine cabinet. For instance, milk of magnesia is a good facial mask for oily or irritated skin. This product contains ingredients that are meant to calm an irritated stomach, and so they also work on a face that is red and inflamed, and will also absorb extra oils as well. Another great homemade skincare ingredient is a raw, plain egg. Eggs have a high concentration of vitamin A, which is needed for the skin. You can crack an egg in a bowl, whip it up with a fork, and apply it with your bare fingers or a brush. Give it 10 minutes or so to dry and then wipe it off with a damp cloth. Good homemade skincare moisturizers include honey, avocado, mayonnaise, olive oil, and plain yogurt. All of these items have natural oils that work very well to keep the skin moisturized, soft and supple. A good cleansing agent is oatmeal. You can mix up any combination of these things for a homemade skincare mask depending on your skin tone. Lemon juice works as an astringent for oily skin, so try that in the T-zone or oily areas of your face. Many of these ingredients we've listed for homemade skincare are pretty basic, but there's a reason that women have been using them for decades. They work.